We are excited to show you around East Mississippi Community College, a place that's special not only for the high-quality education you will get here, but for the sense of family and community you will feel as you do it. East Mississippi is home to two large but easy-to-navigate campuses in Scuba and the Golden Triangle. Whether you're looking for university parallel programs, career technical programs, or workforce programs, we have it here. Here at East Mississippi, you can be a part of a thriving community with a vibrant student life. We make sure if you are a student here, whether you live on campus or not, and have the latest technology to achieve your dreams. We have high academic standards, including a Phi Theta Kappa Honor Society for those looking to transfer to a four-year university, but that's not all. For those looking to go straight into high-paying, successful careers, we have dozens of career technical programs. Our Division of Allied Health and Nursing provides rigorous classroom instruction, focused research, and clinical fieldwork so students become competent, caring healthcare providers. And our state-of-the-art community building prepares you to work in the high-tech industries of advanced manufacturing. At East Mississippi Community College, you will find a safe and welcoming environment that will give you the tools to make your future career dreams come true.